Welcome back to Auto Flix YouTube channel, Jahan Power, Style our custom design ek soft milt hain. Aaj ki video mine hum dekna whale hain ek unique our eye-catching SUV build, Ford Everest Sport, Jism Mustang ka logo our custom, Victor, body kit laga wahai. Ye gari finished high bold yellow our black dual tone color mine, Jo Eyes Ek Luxury Showroom level presence deta high. Socho Ek Premium Jessica Luxury Showroom ka environment. Bright white lights, glossy marble floor, glass walls our spotlight reflections, our beach mine Ye Ford Everest Sport. Yellow our black combination showroom lights mine shine Kardawa, Bilko Ek showpiece Jaza lagta high. Front say decan to iska look Bilko aggressive our sporty high. Custom Victor body kit K soft wide grille, muscular bumper our sharp LED headlights Ize Ek powerful road presence deet hain. Mustang ka badge is SUV ko Ek sporty identity deta high Jo Eyes normal Everest say Bilko alag banata high. Yellow body K soft black grille our black accents Ek perfect contrast create cart hain. Side profile mine Ye gari our be impressive lagdi high. Black alloy wheels, flared wheel arches our strong shoulder line eyes Ek bold stance deep hain. Yellow body panels showroom key lighting reflect car Q Ize our be premium our high-end feel deep hain. Car angle say Ye SUV Ek custom luxury build Jisi lagdi high. Rear design be udna high powerful high. Black bumper detailing, sleek taillights our sporty touches Ize Ek complete performance look deep hain. Dual tone yellow our black rear view co energetic our aggressive banata high. Jo showroom K environment mine instantly attention grab car to high. Interior key bot Karain to Ye Everest Sport Ek premium our comfortable cabin offer cardi high. Black leather seats, contrast stitching, modern infotainment system our digital instrument cluster Ek luxury feel create cart hain. Cabin ka design driver focused high, Jahan comfort our control dono perfect balance mine hain. Performance K Lie Ye SUV strong engine, smooth handling our solid road grip K safati high. Ye gari surf city drive K Lie nahi, Balki highway cruising our off-road adventures K Lie be perfect high. Power, stability our comfort, Tino Chizine is build mine clearly feel hodi hain. Jessica Luxury Showroom K environment mine Ye Ford Everest Sport Ek showstopper band jadi high. Bright lights, clean reflections our premium background iska bold yellow our black theme co our highlight cart hain. Ye surf Ek SUV nahi, Ye Ek statement high. Ford Everest Sport Victor Edition unlogon K Lie perfect high Jo apni gari mine uniqueness, power our luxury Ek soft chot hain. Ye build modern SUV styling co sporty DNA K soft combine car to high. That's it for today's video on Auto Flix. Agar apko Ye custom Ford Everest Sport pasand a ho to video ko like Karain, channel ko subscribe Karain our notification bell zaror on Karain. Hum wapas ing K our powerful our stylish machine K soft, next video mine.